They actually do this during the war quite well. You know, it's called shell shock. Shell shock. Okay. So maybe we can do another one of those later, but we'll give it some time and let the alcohol soak a little bit. Okay. So do we want to do the non-burning towel or something? Okay. Burning towel. No? Nobody? Oh, I see. Okay. Actually, this used to be our non-burning towel demo, but we recently upgraded it to our non-burning dollar demo. Okay. And so what we need for that is we need that special solution, and then we need. We're supposed to have one extra. Okay. Very good. Very good. So we're going to soak that a little bit in there. And yeah, just grab it. And then, do you want me to light it? Please. Okay. Turn the light up a little bit so you can see that better. And when it's lit, don't hold it over this way. Because otherwise everything is. All right. So shall I burn this thing? Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh no. Okay. Let's put it in there quickly. Okay, and then let's extinguish it. Okay, why don't you show this thing to everybody now?
Still okay.
Okay. I don't even know. Is it illegal to burn money in this country? It's illegal, huh? Well, I'm glad we didn't burn it. Okay. What about raising the stakes a little bit? Does anybody have a $50 bill on hand here? $50? Okay. Could I? 100? We have 100 up there? A real 100? Okay.
He's coming back.
Hey, you know this has a 50% failure rate. Just to let you know, there's no refund.
200 then.
So is that lunch for the next 2 weeks? Huh? Lunch for the next 2 weeks at stake here. All right, let's dim the lights. This time. Okay, let's dim the lights and. It burns! It burns! Oh,
Uh-oh. Do you have tape?
It turns into a 5, by the way. Oh, that's still one piece, huh? Still one piece, all right.
Do you want this now?
So, what about... Okay, I kind of get the feeling you like fire, and you like stuff with fire. All right, let's give you some more fire here, okay? You want to explain, Jeff? Whatever you want.
Alright, so, anyone can make fire with, fire. You can start a fire like that. But only the UC Davis Chemistry Club can start a fire with ice. So, in about a second.
Don't use that.
Screen on one.
Yeah, okay. All right. So we got a grayish powder there. That's all going to get mixed up there. It had 2 components. One was white powder, and now the other one was a gray powder. Okay. And maybe we should do this on here. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. So we'll mix these up together. That's a lot of powder in there. Okay. And then we'll put it here. And, well, show the ice first, okay?
Alright, so we've got... Ooh, no! Didn't even wait for the ice.
maybe while I was talking, I was spitting into it or something like that. Okay. So this was instant fire, where you just need to don't need to do anything; it just starts by itself. Okay. So, well, if you're interested in the chemistry here, there was some zinc powder in there. Then there was some potassium nitrate in there as an oxidizer, some ammonium nitrate, ammonium chloride, and when you add water to it, it generates, there's an acid-base reaction happening, generates heat, and that's enough to get the combustion starting. So, all right, now we successfully made a big smoke screen. Right? That's fine. All right. So, well, want some more fire? Yeah. More fire. Always.
Alright, so this one won't go off on its own, but let's see, let's do this one.
So this stuff actually is pretty handy when you go on a camping trip and when you notice that you forgot the matches at home. So you can't do any marshmallows.
No camping trip at all.
So what are you adding there?
Adding some sulfuric acid here. It's a liquid.
Hooray! Sulfuric Thank you very much, Joe. So this was our instant fire number 2. Basically, what it is basically powdered sugar mixed with some potassium chlorate, and when you then add sulfuric acid to this, it starts oxidizing the sugar and starts burning. So, yeah. So much for that. All right. Well, I just heard explosions. Are we going to do explosions today? Are we going to do explosions? Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Well, why don't we do some rockets? What about some rockets? Okay. Let's do some bottle rockets. Okay. So, why don't I tell you about these bottle rockets briefly? What do you need to make a bottle rocket? Well, you need a bottle. Okay, you need a bottle. You need a little stick. And you need a little bit of sticky tape, okay? And then you glue the whole thing together, and then basically you are set, almost set, okay? So I pour this out real quick here, and well, what you then have is a bottle rocket. Who of you wants to ignite this bottle rocket? Okay. So we'll put this in the firing ramp. Have you done this before? Okay. Then wear gloves. This glove. Basically, this glove is the one that you will use. I can open it, and we can actually put it here. Why don't I open it and you ignite it? Okay. Or you can do this. You can do like this here. You can do without. Safety first. Goggles. Thank you. And we have plugs for this because usually when rockets take off, it gets pretty noisy. So. Okay. Shall I open this? Are you guys ready for this? Yeah. Okay. With my hand. 3, 2, 1. Oh.